Hi, I'm Rainey with Finance Strategists. In this lesson, we're going to cover
Gross profit is a company's profit after subtracting the costs directly linked to making and delivering its products and services. The formula for gross profit is calculated by subtracting the cost of goods sold, or COGS, from the company's revenue. Gross profit is often called gross income or gross margin. Depending on the company, revenue may also be called sales, and the cost of goods sold may also be called cost of revenue or cost of sales. The cost of goods sold are the costs incurred necessary to fulfill orders and do not include fixed costs, which are costs that will be incurred regardless of whether a unit is produced. Examples of expenses included in the cost of goods sold are hourly labor, materials for production, equipment used in production, packaging, sales commissions, transaction fees, and shipping and fulfillment. The cost of goods sold is different from operating expenses, which are fixed costs that do not directly depend on the company's output. These include rent, management salaries, marketing, insurance, and others. When you subtract operating expenses from the gross profit, that number is the operating income. It is often a much lower number than gross profit because it deducts the major expense items. After subtracting all expenses, including non-operating expenses like interest and taxes, what is left is net income, also called net profit or earnings. Here's how to calculate the three main levels of profit. Revenue minus the cost of revenue equals gross profit. Gross profit minus operating expenses equals operating income. And operating income minus other costs equals net profit. Although many people use the terms interchangeably, gross profit and gross margin are not the same. Gross profit is a currency amount, while margin is a ratio or percentage. Gross profit margin is the percentage left as gross profit after subtracting the cost of revenue from the revenue. You calculate it by dividing the gross profit by the revenue. Let's hear from you. What is the most important level of profit for an investor to look at? Gross profit, operating income, or net profit? Leave a comment below.
For more information, visit www.financestrategist.com. Finance Strategists, strategies for your future.